Cinematic drone shots don't just happen by luck. They are built from the right decisions. If your drone shots look flat, cheap or boring, you came to the right place. In this video I will show you which mistakes you should avoid and on which fundamentals you should actually focus on to take your videos to the next level. Let's start with the most important one: composition and framing. Framing your shot properly creates balance between all the elements in your frame. Whether it's a vast landscape, an epic sunset, or your wife standing on the edge of a mountain. The most important thing is to make it clear where the focus of your shot lives. Only after you have made this decision should you move on to the right angle, the right camera movement, and all the other elements that we will talk about in a second. So instead of getting a shot fast and unintentional, activate your grid lines and invest those few seconds to open your eyes. Just ask yourself, how can you capture the scene in a way that it highlights and complements the subject or the location? And if you don't know the answer, don't press record. Every shot that made you say wow in the past had one thing in common: depth. The key for every shot should be a strong balance of foreground, midground and background. Multiple elements moving at different speeds in different distances is one of the most powerful ways to create better drone footage. Cinematic movement is about flying slow and controlled, and matching speed and direction to the scene. For establishing shots, use a slow push in, maybe with a slight tilt up. For orbits, you can go slow or slightly faster. It all depends on the mood and tone of your video. But as a rule of thumb, for fast-paced scenes, fly faster, and for calm scenes, fly slower. With experience, you will naturally learn how to match movement to everything that's happening inside your frame. This is a very important one. Don't rely on one perfect shot. Capture the same scene from multiple angles and heights. This gives you flexibility in editing and makes your final video stronger. The last thing you want is to sit in the edit and think, damn, I should have taken this angle too. So if there's enough time, capture multiple variations of the same scene or location. You will often hear that cinematic shots only happen at the right daytime, usually at golden hour. But here's the catch: the right daytime doesn't exist. Yes, golden hour is beautiful because the light is soft and shadows spread nicely, but trust me, great shots are possible at any time on any location, if you choose the right angles and work with the light you're given. Color grading plays a huge role in turning flat footage into cinematic shots. With solid color grading, you can shape mood, create contrast, and build consistency throughout your entire video. If you want to see exactly how I color grade my clips, I have a full video where I break this down step by step. You will find a link in the description or at the end of this video. Cinematic footage is not just about visuals. Sound design also plays a huge role in creating emotion and impact. Whooshes, risers, hits, birds, wind, water. Everything you see should be supported by sound. In my opinion, a solid sound design separates beginner videos from professional ones, and only with sounds you can truly bring your footage to life. This is one of the key ingredients to take your footage to the next level, so focus on the sound design as much as you do on the video itself. The last tip is to fly with intention. Always decide on the mood and tone before you take off. And if possible, plan ahead before arriving at a location. You can do that by creating a rough shot list or a simple mood board. Very often, just like Eminem said, you only have one shot. Weather changes, time runs out, crowds appear. Being prepared before shooting is a pro tip, and it will save you when it matters most. So if these tips helped you, please consider to leave a like or a comment and subscribe to my channel for more filmmaking and drone tutorials. Thanks for watching.